Hello guys, today I will be unboxing sandals by TOONZSHOP, as you can probably tell by this video's title, and just let's get to it, I guess. I was expecting that because of the pandemic the shipping will be slowed down, but actually it wasn't. It got here like in a week, which is as usual for me. And yeah, it's packed in a plastic bag like this. I also got a sticker and it's really pretty. I already have like 2 of them and now I've been just collecting them and waiting for the good surface to place them on. And here are the sandals. I can't wait to see how they look. They look absolutely amazing on the website. And here it is, the first sandal. So I have taken them in size 37 because they recommended like the usual size you wear, that you should take it, and I usually wear European 37. So I have got them in that size. We will see if they fit, but like they should. First thing that really like struck me was that they are really lightweight, which is amazing. Yeah, they are basically lace-on shoes. They have like sole like this, which is nice. It isn't completely flat, so it has some kind of grip to it. They have small platform. I think it stated like 7 to 10 centimeters in description on the website. I will put it on the screen if I'm wrong. And yeah, they have like straps so you can lace them. They are like lace on shoes, and they have these small metal details at the bottom of the straps. It is faux leather, if I'm correct. It is not real leather, so it is also vegan friendly. Let's unpack another one. So here are the shoes, and now I guess I'm gonna try them on. As you could see on the short video I filmed of me wearing them, the shoes fit really great and they are really easy to walk in for me because I'm really used to platforms. But I think that even if you're not used to wear platforms, they are fine because they are so light, and since they are wrapped also around your ankle, they give proper support to your foot, so it's really easy to walk in them. Like it takes maybe just a little bit to get used to. Otherwise, like it's really comfortable shoes, and I'm really happy I got them because I don't have any sandals basically. I have something similar like this. They are handmade from a local like guy who makes stuff from leather, and they are fine. However, because of the straps on the heel, they can get really uncomfortable after like an hour or 2 of wearing, because like you have to tie them really tight to hold on your leg. But these ones, because they have like fixed straps around your heel and also around your toes, they hold really well. So yeah, I'm definitely really happy I have something in this style that's a little bit more wearable for long periods of time, because I really love this style. It fits basically everything I wear, so yeah. And yeah, I will definitely make sure to link TOONZSHOP down below so you can check it, and hopefully I will see you in my next video soon. Bye bye!